We recently sold this house for over $900,000 after the renovation that we completed for the seller. We removed all the personal property to storage and cleaned up all the trash. And we refinished the floors. We fixed the roof. We painted the walls. And we fixed up the kitchen. Sellers that are short on cash and need renovations absolutely love our renovation services. We manage all the work and we pay for the work up front. We do not mark up the cost of the work. Our services are included in our standard competitive commission, and the cost of the repairs is paid at closing from seller proceeds. No hooks or hidden fees. We simply make beautiful homes and happy sellers. Many but not all projects qualify, and we can tell you in person in one visit if your home does qualify or not.